Hey everyone, I'm Rob, and today I want to show you the ADHD Coach that I have built using custom GPTs in ChatGPT. Many of you probably know or are already aware now that I do have ADHD, and sometimes that executive functioning it is what it is. And I know that there are many people out there that also have ADHD. So I've built something that can hopefully help you because I've really benefited from it. So today I'm going to show you what I've done in ChatGPT's custom GPT, as well as for those that don't have the paid subscription. Of course, we're not going to gate that between a paywall for being a Plus subscriber. So I'm going to give you in the description of this video the prompt that you can put into ChatGPT, the free version, or Google Bard. So let's rock and roll. So with those that have a paid version, you can go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video. Once you click on the link to the description of this video, you will then see the ADHD Coach in front of you. So why don't we go ahead and test it out and literally see, just let's put any sort of task in that we're kind of struggling to do. Perhaps we have, we're in that ADHD paralysis on the couch and we need to vacuum. Okay, so let's put in the prompt. My floor is a bit dirty and I don't want to vacuum. That's real, that is reality. Okay, that took like 2 seconds, and here we go. Listen up. The state of your living space is a direct reflection of the state of your mind. Da, 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 da. And then it goes on to say, in organizing solutions for people with ADHD, it is emphasized that an organized environment can drastically reduce the chaos in your mind. Get up, grab the vacuum, and start cleaning. Come on. So you may have seen that indeed it does reference a book, and that's how I have programmed this GPT. So if we go under the Explore option, I won't go too much into the details, but when I was building this GPT, I bought and uploaded 5 different books about adult ADHD and just the science behind it and tips to manage it. So the coach does have some experience as well in this. I've also used it in some other things, like literally like before filming this YouTube video, which is a little bit embarrassing, but hey, it is what it is. And it's just like, yeah, it really like motivated me to do this. It's just like, you're standing at the crossroads right now between making progress and stagnating. And also too, I used it additionally when this is really silly, but I'm going to Mexico and my dad is there right now, and he has a vehicle, and he's like, okay, let me know what time to pick you up at the airport, which is amazing, which is, I'm very grateful. But one of my crutches is procrastinating on texting. I know it's not really relatable for many, but I really have a hard time sometimes texting people back. And so I put it in, and it literally was just like, this isn't about the logistics of Mexico. It's about demonstrating reliability and respect for his time. And I don't know, for me, that just kind of like cut through the noise of just like, yeah, that's right. Like, this is also to a consideration aspect. Like, and for whatever reason, like this is working for me. So I definitely thought I'd go ahead and share it and share this video. So yeah, maybe it will help somebody with managing their own ADHD symptoms. Now, for those that don't have access to the paid version of ChatGPT or are using Bard, don't worry, I got you covered. All you have to do is just copy and paste the prompt that I put in the description of this video, and it should work as intended. By the way, I've named the coach Glen because I thought that was nice. But anyway, so the prompt will start off with, how can I help? And if you look at Google Bard, you will also see the same thing as well. How can I help? So then you can go on and put in the tasks that you are struggling with, that you need a bit of coaching and guidance, and sometimes just a reminder of like, oh yeah, this is why I should do this task. So it's helped me. I hope that it helps you if you're struggling with a task, especially if you have ADHD. And that's my story. So wishing everybody a wonderful day. Have a great weekend, and I will catch you in the next video.